Hi, this is Teresa, your veterinary technician at Sheridan Animal Hospital. Your pet has had surgery today, so we want to talk about protecting their incision. This is the most important thing you can do for your pet following surgery and in the days of recovery. Next, I'm going to talk about a few ways we are going to do just that. You've probably heard e-collar, Elizabethan collar, lampshade, or cone. These are the few of the names that are used to describe this important device. Your veterinarian recommends that your pet go home with a medical shirt or e-collar to prevent them from licking their incision. You're wondering what these things are and how do I use them? E-collars are used on pets to keep them from scratching, chewing, licking, or rubbing an incision or otherwise bothersome area on their body. Medical shirts are used for the same reason, just in a different way. Here are some of the pros and cons for a medical shirt versus an e-collar. Many pets will protest the use of an e-collar in the beginning. However, as they become more comfortable with the length and weight of the collar, it becomes less bothersome to them. For this reason, many owners choose a medical shirt. Medical shirt. Let's talk about the pros. Most pets tolerate the use of a medical shirt much better than an e-collar. A medical shirt does not hinder the pet from walking normally or cause them to bump into things around the house. Cons: the medical shirt does not prevent the pet from trying to lick through the shirt, which still introduces bacteria to the surgical site. A medical shirt must be unbuttoned and rolled up out of the way before the pet goes out to use the bathroom. If the pet has a tendency to lick at things already, then an e-collar is likely the best choice for them. Pets do not understand that licking, rubbing, or chewing at their incision can be very harmful to them. It's our job and yours to help them stay protected. How to properly fit an e-collar. An e-collar must be fitted so that no more than 1 or 2 fingers can slide between your pet's neck and the collar. Next, the end of the collar must extend at least 2 inches past the tip of your pet's outstretched nose. This ensures that your pet cannot reach around the end of the collar with their tongue to lick their incision. Some pets will try to pull the e-collar off. For this reason, we recommend using a piece of gauze to tie and anchor your pet's e-collar to either their regular collar or a harness. How to properly fit a medical shirt. A medical shirt is measured by the length in centimeters from the base of your pet's tail to the shoulder blades. The shirt should be snug to the body without a lot of slack. If there's a gap around the rear legs or too much slack, your pet will be able to get around the shirt to lick. Remember, if your pet licks around or through the shirt, it is not working. Please call our office immediately so that we can fit your pet for an e-collar. Things you need to know. When you're using an e-collar, pull your pet's food and water bowls away from the wall to allow the e-collar to go over the bowls. E-collars are made of a flexible enough material that your pet can lay down and sleep with it on. Some pets can use their e-collar to scratch at their own incision, so please watch your pet closely to ensure this is not happening. Some other tips. For dogs, while using an e-collar, remove items from lower shelves in the house as well as blocking off dog doors is recommended. For cats, it can be helpful to remove the lids from their covered litter boxes while they're wearing the e-collar. Keep in mind there are several different types of devices on the market used to prevent pets from getting at their incision. However, some of these are not restrictive enough to keep the pet from causing self-harm. If you are unsure about what method of protection to choose for your pet, we are more than happy to assist you. If you're concerned that your pet's e-collar or medical shirt is not a proper fit or working like it should, please call us. As always, thank you for trusting Sheridan Animal Hospital with the care of your pet.